Number 2, Lowrance HOOK². This fish finder is incredibly easy to use thanks to its auto-tuning sonar and simple phone-like menus. This means you can spend more time fishing and less time messing around with settings. One of the standout features of the HOOK² 4X is its wide-angle sonar coverage. With double the coverage of traditional fish finders, you'll be able to see more of what's happening below the surface. Setting up the HOOK² 4X is a breeze. Thanks to the versatility of the included transducer, you can mount it on the transom, inside the hull, on the trolling motor, or through a scupper hole. The bullet skimmer transducer provides you with traditional 2D sonar views, including detailed fish arches. Overall, the HOOK² 4X offers excellent value for money, making it the best budget fish finder on the market. What I love most about this product is its user-friendly design and wide sonar coverage. It's worth noting that the screen size of the HOOK² 4X is relatively small compared to some other models. However, this minor drawback is easily outweighed by the fantastic features and performance of the device. For an affordable fish finder that doesn't compromise on quality, check out the Lowrance HOOK² 4X today. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.